Hello and welcome to yet another repair video featuring the Sony Mega Storage CD Changer. On today's repair tutorial, we are rocking with the CDP-CX355, which can hold up to 300 discs and allow the user to play custom music mixes. Pretty simple. Let's turn this puppy on and see where the issue lies. So here's a summary of what's occurring. Number 1, that sound. It is not a sound we want to hear. The motor is running when powered on, yet no carousel spin. Number 2, table error on the unit's display. And number 3, the green LED lights within the unit blink on and off, which may signify the user that there is an error somewhere. But where, right? So let's dive in and see what we can find. Begin by removing the 9 pan head screws off the unit's outer case. Yep, makes sense. The rubber belt has been mounted off of its plastic gear. So in order to do any further investigating, we will have to remove a couple of these key pieces. Begin by disconnecting the top connector off of the PCB board and setting it to the side. Next, begin by removing the L-shaped bracket by unscrewing 3 screws, 1 at the top right hand corner of the screen and 2 at the very base. Next comes the black plastic cover. Unscrew the 2 screws, detach the connectors off the cable clips, and gently remove the cover. 2 screws off the carousel table, followed by 2 screws off the cover's top. Remove the bracket, disconnect the LED board, unscrew the carousel's inner screw, remove the unit's claw by shimmying from side to side. Pull the carousel off the unit. Transitioning to the unit's backside, we will now remove the main board and the pan head screws, which will be a total of 4. Detach the tiny PCB below the main board by unscrewing 3 screws from the unit's back panel. Untie the connectors and lift off. So the issue is pretty obvious. The rubber belt came off the gears that rotate the carousel's table. Of course it came off. There's no tension on the belt whatsoever. Double check the CD loading belt as well and can verify that it too barely has tension. So let's buy these 2 replacement belts and get this unit up and running. Alright, found the 2 replacement belts, less than $10, and it'll arrive within 2 to 3 business days. Not bad. The belts have arrived 2 business days later, and just to clarify to all the viewers, both of these belts are the same size. So enough said, let's swap these rubber bands. Awesome. Both belts are installed, strong tension, nice, sturdy. Life is good. So there's only one way to find out, and that's to reassemble. We will then conclude whether the replacement belts were a success or not. Let's go. Well, what do you know? The carousel is working. The noise from the beginning of the video is no more. The LEDs within the unit now change between green and blue, which signifies that the data is being registered. No more table errors. Yeah, we can conclude and classify that this unit is now repaired. Thank you all for watching. More electronic repair videos coming your way. Until next time, later.